is Sarah, and I'm the program director here at Reed Muskegon, and this is my daughter, Ellie, and we are going to cook ants on a log today for our ABCs of Cooking class. Ellie, what is this?
Celery.
Celery. What is this?
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips. What's this?
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. And what's this?
Raisins.
That's all you need to make ants on a log. You don't need chocolate chips. I'm just putting chocolate chips on it, hoping that my daughter's more likely to eat it. And they kind of look like ants too. So first step is to cut your celery. I did that ahead of time. Now, Ellie, do you want to help me put peanut butter on these? Ready? So you're going to do this.
I like peanut butter.
You do like peanut butter. You eat it all the time, honey. Peanut butter and jelly is like your favorite sandwich. Okay. Want to do some more?
I want to hold it.
Okay.
I want to hold that.
You want to hold both? Okay. Ready? Oh, put it on this only. Okay, ready? Okay. We're just going to do a couple so there's not a 20-minute long video of us peanut buttering celery.
Hold it different.
Okay, let's do one more and then we're going to do the rest. Later we can do it with your sisters, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, does that sound fun? Okay, last one, Els. Okay, so Ellie, peanut butter starts with a sound p, p, p. Who makes the p, p, p sound?
Peanut butter.
Because peanut butter makes the p, p, p sound. Who else does? Who does this? P, p, p.
Pee penguin.
Pee-wee penguin. Good job. Pee-wee penguin says p, p, p. Can you do the movement with me? P, 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 p. Can you do that? No, you don't want to? Oh, there we go. Okay. Let's put, so Ellie, we're going to put some pretend ants on the log, okay? So this is a log, like a tree. What are these?
Ants.
Ants. What letter says the
I
A?
want to try some, but I like them.
Yeah, you can eat some raisins. Ellie, what letter makes the A sound? Who says A?
Raisins.
Raise. Who says A?
Alligator.
Allie, alligator. Can you do the Allie, alligator sound with me? A. Good job.
I didn't do our hand.
Yeah, you did that on the table. That's okay. You want to put some raisins on here like this? Look. Want to put some on there?
Yep.
Save some room for the chocolate chips too.
I want more.
You want more? Put some more on? You can put lots on. That's the best part. Okay, Ellie. Log says the O sound. Who says the O sound?
A log.
Yeah, log and what else? Who says the O? Who does this?
A lizard.
Lizzie the lizard says ooh. Can you do this with me? And then we'll do chocolate chips. Ooh. Good job,
I want
honey.
to eat some chocolate.
I know you want to eat some chocolate chips. The world knows you want to eat some chocolate chips.
These
Okay.
Those are not baby.
They're not the baby ones we used last night, are they? Okay, ready? Can you put some in between to make some more ants? Yeah.
I like some.
You like some? Okay.
I just see it. Now I put it on there.
Oh, good. This can be yours. Normally, Ellie, when you cook for people, you don't lick things before you put it on the food. Just common knowledge for you to know. You can eat that one. Do you need a wipe? Okay, Ellie. These are ants on a log. Do they look like ants to you? Yeah. Do you want to try one? Let's do a bite where you get raisin and chocolate chip in it. Are you ready? Take a big bite. Okay, keep chewing it. Mommy's gonna take a bite too, okay? Mmm. Are they good? Remember last week when you said you didn't like celery? This is celery and you just ate it and said it was good. I think you do like celery. Okay, Ellie. Let's do one more. let's do delicious. What makes the d sound? Do you remember? D, deer. Can you do it with me? D. All right. Are you ready to say goodbye? You can eat more if you'd like. Can you say bye?